Struggling to get Apple CarPlay or Siri working in your Cadillac Lyriq? Let us walk through the steps to get you connected. Over 90% of connection issues are resolved by checking your phone settings and ensuring your software is fully updated. First, we need to ensure your iPhone is properly synced with the Lyriq's infotainment system. Follow these 3 steps to prime your phone and the vehicle for a stable Apple CarPlay connection. If it still does not connect, check your screen time restrictions and perform a fresh pairing sequence. Replacing your charging cable is the most frequent fix for intermittent connection drops in the Lyriq. While wireless CarPlay is convenient, a wired connection is always more reliable for long trips. Always remember to keep your phone unlocked during the initial handshake to grant the vehicle proper permissions. With these settings configured, your Cadillac Lyriq and Apple CarPlay should now work seamlessly every time you drive.